Ready?
No.
My camera's ancient. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's waving.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. It's gonna walk right now. You. Happy birthday, dear Ellen. Happy birthday to you.
Blow, Ellen, blow!
Go out, damn it.
What's wrong with your candles?
There's no candles. You guys want to blow out birthday candles? Because it's so much fun.
Not working.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna spit on it.
Now it's spit on.
Okay.
Yay!
Okay.
Now it's dark in here.
I feel incredibly lightheaded right now.
Okay, I will let you know that during